In 102, you learned 2 new words. Coefficient was one of them. Coefficient just means how many tiles or variables do you have of that thing. So, for example, this tells me I have 2 x's. I could write this as x and x. See? 2 of them. So that's what it means. If it looked like this is still the coefficient. It's 8. We use it in science too, believe it or not just math. Let's say you had H2O. How many H2Os? 2 of them. Or 6 of them. It's just the how many of that thing do you have. Coefficient. Try that word. Coefficient. The other word you learned was constant. Constant is how many, but not many tiles. It's just how many do you have. The number won't change when I figure out what x is. So that's why we call it a constant. It's just the plain numbers. For 102, your job was to identify the coefficients and the constants in your expressions from 101. So this is my answer to 101A. This is my coefficient. How do I know? It's the number that's in front of the x. On my tiles, I would have 4 lengths that are x long. For example, like this shape has 4 lengths that are x long. Then my constant is the next question. That's my constant. There is no variable, so even if I get a number for this x, this will stay the same. So let me show you that. Let's pretend x was 5. My coefficient tells me how many 5s am I going to get. My constant didn't change because I got a number for x. So that's an example of it. I'll put that back to an x now. Going through the other ones quickly. There's your coefficient. Your constant is 4. In this one, your coefficient is 4. Your constant is 6.